uh, some of the words from the scripture. Let me tell you something about myself. My name is Serjang He. Recently have completed my studies in degree from Darang College from Economics Department, and then I studied in Tezpur. I think sir have visited Tezpur. Tezpur is a very beautiful place. When you pass your metric or when you pass your HS, please, if you want to get a good education, you can go to Tezpur. There are many various colleges where they provide good quality of education. You will have there in that Tezpur, you will have a very clean environment, a very peaceful society, a very friendly colleagues and students. So you can join Tezpur if you want to study there. And also, yes, I'm not so unfamiliar to all of you. I have been a student of Church of God English High School, and I think I was the most senior during my studies there in Church of God English High School. I started my studies, actually I forgot my year, but still, since from class KG1 until my matriculation, I have done my studies there in Church of God. So, as about this English service, my testimony about this English service, it has been a blessing to me. Before it was started by, as I recall, it was started by Sarwan Mandri, and then our evangelist, M. Teron, and then before, we used to have good numbers of students, especially like you. You used to come here. I'm not like it's okay. Before I was a very little kid, very short and then very blackish, not so bright now and not so handsome like now. Okay, just a joke. Okay, but you see my home. You see my home. It's very far from here. It's very far. And then the service used to start from here around 5:30, and then by the time you get over, it used to be